Hey guys, it's Shamira, and today I'm sharing some of the amazing new items that you can choose for your summer box. So this is all about customization too. And before we get started, you're gonna wanna give this video a thumbs up, make sure you're subscribed because it helps us so much. And you're also gonna wanna make sure you stick around until the end because I have a code that will help you save some money on your box. Okay, let's get started. Okay, this is the First Aid Beauty Ultra Repair Firming Collagen Cream. Comes in this cute packaging. Also, I've been wanting to try First Aid Beauty for such a long time. Fun fact, I used to work at Sephora and every single day I would tell myself I would buy a First Aid Beauty product and I never did, so now's my chance. So first of all, this is it's thick, because look, it's not coming out. And the texture is super light and creamy. Let's do a smell test. It smells like nothing, which is ideal for skincare for me at least. Whenever I put things on my face that are too fragrant, I just kind of feel ill. So this is super nice. You just put it on your face twice daily, in the morning and at night. And you can use it alone or over serum, however you do your skincare routine, but I love it. I actually love it. It feels so good. I would put this on my whole body if I could, but it's for your face, okay? So don't get crazy. This is the OUAI Fine to Medium Treatment Mask. I always stress packaging because it's so important, but this is so sleek and like a chic color. I love it. And we're gonna open it up. It smells so good. Ugh, it smells like luxe and I don't know, yeah, like rich. It smells very velvety and rich and rosy. It's so nice. Okay, let's see what the texture feels like. It feels like a pretty thick mask. It's still really nice to have something that's gonna hydrate your hair and just keep it smooth and healthy, so I always look for masks. So how you're gonna use this is remove any excess water from your hair, then apply a quarter size amount. For me, I never just apply a quarter size amount. I always have to apply more because I have so much hair and it's really long, but you're gonna wanna start it from your ends and work it to the roots. And then you wanna leave it on for 5 minutes, rinse with cool water. Masks are honestly so nice for the summer, especially if you're swimming or you're tanning or you're just working outside, sweating. It's really, really good to add that moisture back into your hair. So in the summer, I always make sure to have a good mask, and this is that. That was good. Sometimes I really hit those notes, right? I feel like that was really good. Okay, this is the Beach Riot Wrap. Beach Riot Wrap, say that 10 times fast. It is such a beautiful cover up, super colorful, and you can use it as a sarong for your beach days and just throw it on and look super chic and together. Also, the brand Beach Riot is hot on the market right now. It's super trendy and they have really high quality items and beachwear. Here we have the Sunday Citizen bath set. It's perfect for dispensing liquid soap or lotions or moisturizers. It's also super chic, very that girl vibes, if you guys know what I mean. I can imagine this sitting on my countertop in my bathroom, or honestly in your kitchen, anywhere that you need your countertop to be organized. It just looks so cute. I am moving literally this week, so I'm looking for new things for my apartment, and this is definitely something that's just gonna make it look put together, you know, especially while you have boxes and it's ugly to look everywhere. I can at least look at this and be like, that's nice at least. So it's a faux marble look, so it's gonna go really good with any style decor, maximalist, minimalist. I've been looking into a lot of styles because I'm moving, vintage, cottage core, so many different styles, but this would look really good in all of those. All right, now we have the Short Stories ceramic tray in blue and white. I would say navy and white. It's a pretty dark blue, which I feel will go with so many different types of decor, and then on the back it is all blue. I think what I would use this for is to hold my keys or my wallet, things like that when you get in the house and you just want to be able to throw your stuff on a tray and have a spot. I'm just gonna say that this would be more useful for my husband who loses his keys and wallet every day. This is kind of an essential item actually. So this is the Olaplaex No. 8 Bond Intense Moisturizing Mask, and I have been wanting to try Olaplaex for such a long time. It's just been on my wish list for for literally years. This is gonna be great for anyone who has damaged hair from bleaching and dyeing. It's really gonna help to make it not look damaged, and it'll look shiny and just reduce the appearance of like breakage and frizz and all of that. You're gonna wanna shampoo your hair, rinse it out, and then apply this for 10 minutes and then rinse it off and style like normal. So let's see what it feels and smells like. Oh wow, that came out way faster than I thought it would. This is what it looks like. It's super thick and creamy. It smells fresh, but it doesn't smell too fragrant. Yeah, it smells so good. Once again, just smells like good quality, like, I can't explain it, but you know when you have a product that's just like, yeah, that's good. Like, that's kind of how I feel about this, if anyone can relate to that. So Olaplaex is used by so many professionals in the hair care industry, but now you can bring that to your house. Be your own professional. For a full look at all the items that you can choose this season, make sure that you customize your summer box, and the code that I promised in the beginning is Summer Close Up. So let me know what you're picking in the comments below, and have a great summer. Bye!